When we decided that we would really love some beautiful art on our campus to celebrate artists and their work, we realized that we did not know the LA local artist community in a way that would allow us to select the best artists to work with. And so we discovered Indiewalls, which has been such a gift because the curation and their understanding of the artist who would be available to help us really celebrate this site made the whole search and the design and the work with the artist truly seamless and exciting every step of the way.
Well, for one thing, it was in Aruba, which is far away and hard to get to. Aside from that, the site itself was really complex. It was a very large atrium in a hotel, and we wanted to project over the whole thing. So there were a lot of complexities, but I just handed it over to Indiewalls, and Indiewalls took absolutely full control. They coordinated with property, they found all of the technical people, just the whole thing was 100% in Indiewalls' hands from start to finish.
The installation was a 3-story space, and these mobiles were suspended from a skylight. These are actually, welded frames with really large linen panels. They managed the process from the conception all through the design and the engineering of the art itself, the attachment methods. So everything had to work seamlessly with the existing architecture. On top of that, this was sort of an active construction site. This wasn't art being installed in a perfectly clean space. There were other contractors and trades that needed to be worked around. It was very seamless installation.